Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if your withdrawal request failed on PrizePicks. So first of all, you need to keep in your mind that PrizePicks has 1x playthrough requirement, which basically means that you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. So if you don't do that, you won't be able to withdraw any money at all. Now, if you're withdrawing and your request fails, it could be due to an inaccurate bank account information. If this happens and it fails, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance. Then you will be able to create a new withdrawal. You can verify your bank details. Then you can add the correct details and do the process again, and then it should work. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method, so you just need to make sure that the payment method is approved by PrizePicks and you don't use any other payment method that isn't approved, since Apple Pay and credit cards may only be used for deposits, not withdrawals. So you just need to remember that. And also, withdrawals have a minimum amount of $10. And if you're trying to withdraw anything smaller than $10, the request will automatically fail, and only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. If your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 2:01 p.m. the following day, which means that you can only do one per day. So you just need to make sure you have these things in mind while trying to withdraw. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.